All right, welcome to another Throw with the Pros how-to video. In this video, we're going to be setting up a Tour Life season. So you bought the Pro subscription. You can see we don't have the button up here anymore. You played a Q tier, you won a Q tier. You earned your Tour card, which we can see here. We got our Tour card in MA4, and now we have Tour Life available. So once you have that Tour card and your Pro subscription, this button will show up. And to create your season, we're just going to tap it. So click Tour Life. If you don't have a season already ongoing, which if it's your first time, you won't, you'll get this little tutorial to pop up, and it'll explain how to set up your season. So that's what we're going to walk through. The first item is selecting the division. So because we only earned a Tour card in MA4, that's the only division we have available for selection. If you want to earn a Tour card for a higher division, you have to win a Q tier in that division. The next item is season length. So the season is 13 events. This season length item is going to affect the number of rounds that each event contains. So the long season is going to be what you would probably consider normal. Tour Life consists of Pro Tours, Majors, etc. And long season Pro Tours are going to be 3 rounds, Majors are going to be 5. If you're trying to kind of quickly go through Tour Life season, you can select short. Pro Tours will only be 1 round, Majors will only be 3. Shorter seasons will have lower entry fees, but we'll also have lower payouts. So they will go, actually the entry fees will be the same. They'll just have lower payouts. So you get a less bang for your buck, but you also get to play through the season a lot faster. You could certainly get through 2 short seasons in the time it'll take you to play 1 long season. I prefer long seasons just because that feels a little bit more legitimate, realistic, authentic to me. If I play a Pro Tour, I don't want it to be 1 round. But some people may, and that's why this option exists. So we'll leave that one as long for the time being. Well, actually, I'm going to use it in future videos. We're going to make it short just for the sake of tutorials. So we'll go short season here. Next item is course selection. So what you can do at the start of the season, and you certainly don't have to, is you can determine whether or not you're going to set the courses for every event. So this is a list of all the events in the season currently. And this little drop-down menu is just going to display all the courses that you have on your list. So here you can manually enter courses into the app, or you can select automatic, and automatic is going to randomly assign courses for you from that list. I think automatic is kind of fun just because it'll randomly kind of make you, maybe force you to go to courses you wouldn't frequently go to, as long as you've added them to your course list. So they have to be in your course list right when you tap the courses button. All of those courses will be available for random selection or will be available in these drop-down menus. There will be the option in Tour Life to edit courses after the fact. So if you have a course that automatically gets assigned and then whoops, halfway through the season the course gets taken out for a winner or whatever reason, you can go remove it and make it a different course. That's pretty much the gist of it. You can see that because it's a short season, we only have 1 round available to select. If it's a long season, we have 3. This is a major, so there's 5. We're going to go automatic just so it's randomly selected, and then we click review setup. So this review screen is basically just going to convey all the information that we already inputted. We've got our division, season length, course selection, and then it's going to show purses and entry fees for each. Entry fees are a little low. Those are going to get boosted in a future update. And then it includes this little disclaimer at the bottom, which is important to note. So once you start a season, once you click this button, that consumes the Tour card. So that's it. Tour card is used. You're in the season now, so you don't need a Tour card again. But you cannot delete this and start a new Tour Life season without winning another Q tier. That's using up the Tour card. Can't use it again. But that is, in essence, how you create your Tour Life season. If you do the automatic course selection, it does go really quick. All the events are already somewhat pre-created. It's really just selecting courses. Hopefully it's pretty simple, but it's simple for me and I coded it. So that'll wrap it up for this. Hopefully that made sense. If you have questions, feedback, comments, please leave them down below. Other than that, thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.